Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the stream. I forgot to open the actual opening screen. I was like all the time here, just staying out here, setting up, and I was like oblivious to the fact that I was on this main screen. Since we're here, I guess we're gonna shift here real quick. Yo, look at me, I grew. Give me here. I'm bad now. I feel over the screen. Thank you very much for joining me. Hi, welcome to TSO Crypto. I'm your host Martin. This episode we are gonna be talking about will Bitcoin finally rally. Now if you're catching this from live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and having suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button and that bell. That way you're gonna be notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us whenever the stream is done, join us on the Discord. Links will go out here shortly. And thank you all for joining me. Yes, I was on the Bitcoin screen. I've been looking at the Bitcoin chart all day. Reason for that is it's just been moving very, very upward. We should be rallying. There has been bullish divergence. It's just found to play out. That's what I'm saying. It's moving upward. Anyways, let's see who's in the house. Defluma says, "Hey, bro." For horses, cheers. Rex says, "What's up, bro?" For horses, got the Bitcoin screen up. Thanks. I just realized that. Thanks very much, man. May says, chicken egg. Got that fishing. Howdy, howdy. Howdy do, man. Armin, hi. How's it going? And Carthago. Good evening, Carthago. Let's move on to the other mythical screen that we're at. Yeah. Oh, howdy from Australia. Saturday. Ooh. Nice. Saturday already. Thank you very much for being here. Let's go to the market cap. Andrew says, "Good vibes." Cheers. That is nice. So let's go check out the market cap. All right, so market cap at support at 382 holding, right? Oh, sorry, is it 382? Yeah, 382 at 2.15 trillion holding. Finding support there and pumping. Again, we have bullish divergence strong with that. The possibility for action to upside. I know I'm starting to sound like a broken record, but it is what we have. And it's just what we have been tracking. It just sucks that it has not triggered for a strong move to the upside. So we need to get above that blue line, right? That blue line here. That's what we have. Sold at 36.70. That's it for market cap. Let's go check out Bitcoin. Bitcoin, this chart was horrible today. It was missing data for the most time in Gemini. I think the exchange might have been down for like 3 hours. It was not moving. I was so excited because it said Bitcoin was at 49,000 while everyone else said Bitcoin was at like 46,000. So I was like, oh, I'm happy, man. Gemini's up. I'm kidding. Exchange was down. Anyways, bullish divergence strong with that. The possibility for action to upside. We still have it as we're still holding that 46,883. So that's a move I called for. Remember after I said if we break there, we're going to go there. I was surprised that we hadn't reached it. And even yesterday, we didn't quite reach it. Today, we're actually hitting it, right? So we hit our move. If we go here on the 1 hour time scale real quick, you're going to see that we hit target, and then we started going to bounce. So great. Awesome. Target met. Let's go on this Bitcoin chart. We've looked at this one before. You guys are not going to be strangers to this chart. We had that bullish divergence again, looking for that potential rally to come in. And here we're close, slightly below the support we have here at 47,300. Sorry, what was the support here? Yeah, 47,338. So we're starting to move above. We're still on this downsloping channel, right? We know Bitcoin's in a downtrend. We've known that for a while. We drew this channel a while back. It's just acting as support. On the last move, we failed to get above that 20 moving average. Not the 20 moving average. We failed to get above the midline of the channel, and we're pushed back down. So hopefully this bullish divergence will get us to break above that midline and break above that 51,578, right? Let's go here again. Same stuff, right? Bullish divergence strong, potential for moving up, target to the upside, 49,691. Then above there, 51,250. And above there, 50,119. Those are targets that Bitcoin needs to break. Let's extend this line and see where they lead, right? Look at that. Ooh, we're still below that line. We have not reached it. So it's also going to become a resistance. Sold at 33.80. Again, not too hot for Bitcoin. We had bearish divergence, last thing we were looking at here. And that moved us down, right? So again, a resistance. Move down. Let's go to this chart real quick. So what we're doing here, it just looks as though we're consolidating this channel, right? At 51,578 to 47,338. So not bad, not a bad move. There's nothing bullish going on though, right? From here to here on the larger move, there is nothing bullish. On the shorter term, there is strong bullish divergence starting to happen on this short term move here, right? So again, this would be an indicator the market wants to move up, but you know, they've been failing to play out, and that gets me worried, because we know that when bullish indicators fail to play out, we must be in a bear market or in a bearish market, right? I'm not saying this is a bear market yet, but it's starting to feel like it because the bullish indicators are not working, man. They're not working. Anyway, strong bullish potential for moving up. We are neutral at 45.14, still pointing out there on the RSI, so that means that we should still be looking for more action to the upside. Still, let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour, look at this. Look at this, boom, right, boom. Now I'm gonna do this in against the RSI only. The reason for that is there's something here I don't like, and it's the fact that we made this very, let's make this larger. This very weird tiny island here of positive momentum. Otherwise, if this would have been negative, bro, would it have been a good anchoring point? And with that, again, strong bullish divergence and that possibility for a rally. But that's about the same thing we're gonna see in here, I think. Here it looks a little bit different here, and that is because there's a lot of data missing here. You can see that we went up to 7 in the morning, and then it just until 3 in the afternoon we started to get data back in, and that is why the chart looks weird here. And we had this anchored properly, and the fact that this chart is starting to miss a lot of data. Look at how much data is starting to miss, even if we zoom back, right? All the gaps that are there for some reason on the Gemini chart are starting to throw our chart off whack. And what I mean by that is they're not working and not anchored to where they were. Like this was anchored spot on to its point. This was anchored spot on. This was anchored spot on, and this was anchored spot on to a resistance there. Now nothing is matching. Why is it not matching? Because the chart's weird. This chart's not working. That's why I'm starting to go to this other chart to see what we have also, right? So we can see that we had that bullish divergence potential for a movement up. So we are going to see how high we can go here. The suits have almost completely sold out of crypto. Is that true? Where did you get this information from, Andrew? This beer is good. This is like a seasonal beer they come out with for Modelo, which is they come out with this on Christmas season. It's pretty tasty. I like it. I think it's the second or third year they came out with it, but it's pretty good. Anyways, bullish divergence potential for moving up, starting to recover a bit. Even here we had bullish divergence, right? Look at this, boom. Already had that here. Right, that's the move that was highlighted here. So on this chart, we have a bullish divergence here, right? Look at this. All right, so strong bullish potential for moving up. We rallied, failed on hidden bearish. Oh no, look at that pressure starting to build here, right? Right on. So this is what I'm looking at right now. Kevin says, have you seen my mug? I'm not sure where your mug is. If Fetch an article, potential squeeze and low liquidity vault. All right, that's interesting. You know, we're starting to recover. We're starting to go positive for the last 4 hours, which is okay. Again, bullish divergence there. Looking for that recovery to start happening, right? All right. That's awesome, dude. Yeah, I'll be good. Anyways, that's what we're looking at for Bitcoin, right? Potential for moving up. So let's go and check out Ethereum real quick. $4,014. Let's go on the daily, man. Again, what is happening here? Again, we're looking for that bullish divergence. What's happening? We're dropping more. Do we have it? Not here in the short term, but we have it here on this move now. Finally, right? So back here, like we said, we want it to anchor, right? Because we want to drop. We wouldn't be weird if we drop. I was hoping for us to drop just to 4,192, but we didn't. So we're dropping it right now at 4,017. We dropped a little bit more, still create that strong bullish divergence, and we had the possibility for moving up. And the good thing is that we have this against the MACD and the RSI. So strong bullish, right? Strong bullish on the daily. Good stuff. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Again, that moving up. Where can we go? Well, first target we already got above. That would have been that 4,000. So whatever this green line here is, 3,961 or 100, previous 100% high. So now we need to get above 4,192, right? That is our target here for Ethereum. Let's see if we can get above that target. Let's go to that 4-hour chart and see what's happening here. Bearish divergence, right? Move down. All right, cool. At resistance. Nice. Now low. Slightly higher low, negative, less negative, and that low to high. So nothing here that is bullish. Neutral at 41.89. With that, again, the possibility for us to still rally and reach 4,192. Hopefully, Ethereum can do it. Right now, it's rallying 3%. On the 1 hour, look at this. We're holding support still at this line. We broke it briefly for one candle, recovering on the next. That is a fake breakout. That means we have not broken it yet, so we should interpret as we haven't break it. And I was gonna say we're about to get to that 20. We already reached it right now as we were talking. So nice. Why is that happening? Well, there is bullish divergence strong here in the short term, and on the slightly larger term, there might be some also. But we're gonna go with this one first and see where we're anchoring to. All right, so strong bullish here, right? And we don't have it here. Where I was talking about that larger move, it's on here. Look at this. Boom. Look at this, right? Blam. Strong bullish. With that, the possibility for a rally here on Ethereum again. And we're just starting to get a lot of bullish divergence building up. So if we still see bullish divergence fail to play out, we could be saying, yo, bro, we might be in a bear market. I don't want to say it, but, you know, it starts to feel like it because the bullish indicators are not playing out with strength. So what would be important right now for Ethereum is reclaim that 20, get above this previous high. If we don't get above 4,192, we might start to create this move here, right? We're coming slightly lower and we're going to be making more positive momentum and create that hidden divergence, and then that might break us down again, right? So very important that Ethereum recovers. Hooray, man. What else? Let's look at something else. Let's check out HNT, $29.10. Trying to recover there, man. On the daily. Bullish divergence, right? We've gone very close to 100% closing. We're not there yet. It's okay. Let's go to the 4-hour. On the 4-hour chart, low, lower low, and low to positive. So negative to positive. We are creating bullish divergence. All right, look at this. Strong bullish against the MACD and the RSI. And we should anchor to a negative momentum island. We're still holding on to this, which is okay. And let's go to that 1-hour chart again. With that, the possibility for a rally, aiming for a 20 moving average, $29.65. Then above there, $30.44. Let's see if HNT can recover. Right on, some high to low, positive high to low. Low, lower low, and yeah. Strong bullish against the RSI. Let's anchor this one here, just on the 1 hour. There we go. Let's get this move from here to here. Neutral at 51.60. That's what we're getting at, right? Bullish divergence strong here as well. We'll check out ADA real quick. ADA, where you at? Here we go, at $1.24, man. Same thing, right? We had bullish divergence. Like a lot of the market had it. We're still holding on to it. We're looking for that movement up, man. Again, we did try to recover. We hit resistance at 236 and rejected, right? So sucks, but you know, that was the move. We lost divergence against the RSI. Right now, sitting oversold at 29.78. That means that we need to go back up a little bit, right? Let's go on the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, look, we're looking at the bullish divergence strong there. Tried rally, dropping slightly lower. We're still anchoring to a lower point in negative momentum, so lesser negative momentum. And look at this here, right? Strong bullish divergence against the MACD and the RSI. It just needs to trigger, man. It just needs to trigger, right? It needs to get us to a 20 moving average and above at 236. It's gonna be key. Sitting right now at $1.33. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. And fireworks. Thank you very much for being here, man. What I think about Bitcoin, we'll talk about it in a second. Bullish divergence, right? Got a rally, we dropped slightly lower still, right? Look at that, boom. Even here to here, it's another one. And here coming lower. And then here it was where the magic breaks, right? Why am I saying that? Because from this island, we have this break and then coming in lower, right? So more negative momentum. Lower on the price and lower on the other side. So nothing bullish. We're starting to recover along with Bitcoin and the rest. And you can see that we're lagging. So Bitcoin's on its 4th green candle. This is just on its 3rd green candle, right? NPN Fireworks says, I bought ADA today for $1.30. Congrats. Congrats to you, my friend. Let's go back to Bitcoin and answer that question. Volume trading. It's the weekend. There might be not so much volume, right? Yeah, you're right. Look at the last 3 hours, right? It's just died out. Ever since this green candle at 6 p.m., volume just tapered, right? 4 hour, daily, right? Not as big on volume yet, but we're trying to recover, right? So as a weekly, sorry, daily. We're trying to recover, right? So we're still not getting a lot of volume. We'll see. ADA's in sale. Yeah, that's what I said today. Not about ADA particularly, but that's what I said today on Twitter. I say crypto, fresh off the down oven. Come get your fresh sale on crypto. Now on the red. Step right up. Don't be shy. How many you want? For here to go. How many cryptos? Why is it going down, man? Why is it going down, man? Some dude, sorry about the spelling, just stole his 300,000 subscribers to buy HNT up to 40. Let's hope, like, oh, that's crazy if he did that, man. That could be considered manipulation. That's just not good. It is good. It's good. Here's this one. Special Christmas edition of Modelo. I think it's their best beer, and they only bring it out for a short period of time of the year. Look, I've opened it for a while, and it still has a very nice head. Has good head retention. Going over 50K and getting rejected. We'll see. We'll see if we can get above 50K. Performance says, I wish I had more money to buy the sale. Good thing the sale won't last long, though. See, got a couple buy. Yeah. Where am I from, bro? I'm from Mexico. Thank you very much for being here. Going out in a very big limb here and believe that we'll be back at 56K before the weekend is over. Ooh, that is gonna be interesting. That is a bold prediction, my friend. That is a very bold prediction. And if you have fireworks, just subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for that. We wanted to. You see a green candle? It goes up to 10K. It goes up 10K. Wow, that's gonna be a big candle. Yeah, bro. Look, 56K would be a freaking nice target. I'm not sure if the weekend's gonna bring us that high. That means we'll be breaking out of this downsloping channel, which again, downsloping channels tend to break to the upside, right? But man, would it be a good move? SPY is like 0.4 from its all-time high. Is it really? Let's go check. When you say SPY, you're talking about the S&P, right? So let me go to my S&P chart. SPX. Oh, it got almost to its all-time high. Not all-time high. It got to its all-time high closing, not all-time high wick. But yeah, you're correct. It's very close. You're bullish after 61K? Yeah, I would say I started to get a little bit bullish over 55. But we need to get above 60. That is correct. That's where we rejected 59,000. That was our pain point. Yeah, we have a lot of resistance. I agree. Oil pulled back up today. Doors it closed. It was pretty good. Yeah. 177%. All right. Let's see what else is moving here. Crypto hunting. Yeah. As we are added to your soul holdings, pretty good. Right on. I'm trying to see if there's anything here that's worth mentioning. Be Pro, man, went up 6%. Be Pro, it's trying to hold support at that 786, which is an interesting area to be at. Again, bullish divergence strong, right? Low, lower, low, negative, less negative. So possibility for a rally. I get a lot of crypto. A lot of cryptos having this, right? So let's see what else we can get going on here, guys. How's your week, guys? How was your week? Did you guys make profits? Did you guys take hits? Let me know. Let me know in the chat. I mean, I'm interested to know. Like, I want to know if you guys took a hit or were you able to preserve wealth as the price of crypto was going down. One thing about Luna, I'm not sure. I haven't looked at it today. Brad, BRD, the Bard. Look at it. Since we last looked at it, it was way back here. And last time we looked at it, December 2020. We haven't looked at this coin in forever. It's up a lot. Now it's moving sideways. Interesting, right? Trying to hold on to that 20 moving average. At $1.06, when we last looked at this, it was way down here. How much was it worth? Like 0.6 cents? Wow, it's a pretty good pump. It's a pretty good rallying value, right? Scruggs says just huddle and DCA. DCA. BTT up 5%. Look at that. Oh, bearish divergence rejection. I already knew that was a possibility, right? We're resistance. We talked about that potentially happening, going down. Great. We are geniuses. We are geniuses. So there was something about Luna, so let's go check out Luna. Kevin says down 6 figures in 4 days. Don't want to talk about it. Yeah, me neither, man. IBFR only validate on FTM. Ooh. All right. Want to pay yourself for the month, but it looks like you won't be able to until near Christmas. Yeah, kind of sucks though, right? Kind of sucks. Let's look at Luna. I know the market's just been sucky, dude. $63. All right, still above that $59.54 support. We came back down and hit it. Awesome. We haven't looked at Luna in I can't remember how long, but it's doing okay. It's doing okay. Nothing bullish right now. Last time we had bullish divergence up. Still above that 20. It's doing okay. Neutral at 55.48. Still holding up and pointing up there on the R side, meaning that we should still be looking for some potential action to upside. Still here, we don't have anything bearish. Do we have something bullish, low, lower, more negative, lower still? Nope. From back here, we don't either. So it's all good. Neutral 42.80. It's just consolidation, right? There's nothing bullish or bearish happening. 1 hour chart, bullish divergence strong. I think so. I'm going to confirm in a second, but it looks as though we're creating a strong bullish divergence here. Yep, there we go, right? Strong bullish. With that, the possibility for a rally. We're starting to go up again with Bitcoin and the rest. Same move, right? 4 green candles. Should be shooting for that 20 moving average at $65.47. That'll be your target. Invest 65% in Luna. I'll go over 200 for 1 day. All right, that is a pretty sizable thing, guys. UT is up 3%. All right, awesome. Carthago learning occurred. We'll take more shorts to hedge. Network took a huge hit over. Yeah, right. Yeah, I agree. Some people got a lot of hits. We're gonna go for the Gala conference. Was a little late in grabbing tickets. Oh, we gotta do Vegas, man. Next year we gotta do Vegas for sure. Yeah, let's Let's start planning it on the Discord. Let's make a Vegas channel and start like shooting dates. February I can't. February I'm gonna be off for a week. I'm gonna take the family on vacation. We haven't been on vacation on the longest time. I took vacation off work. I was here, but I have my family visiting. But you know, I really need to take time off and just be with the family. So I'm gonna be off on February for about a week. Yeah, February for about a week. But we definitely got to do Vegas afterwards, right? Not before, after. All right. NBM fireworks. Close to overtaking NBM. All right, cool. Someone said something about do something coin. I can't remember what it was. Fitness health. My music is pumping right now over 1,400%. You should also check Rich Quack over at 100K holder. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna look at prices that are not below, that are more than 250, right? So we only look from 1 to 250, and then anything that is above there usually has to go with a donation, right? So, or has to be requested on the pre-stream. Crypto Cam says, "Good to see you still doing your thing. At a K, YouTube was hiding you, but I'm glad to see you." No, I have another channel. I started a new channel. It was something that we needed to do to create a fallback channel. So I was setting that up for about 2 months, I think, or something like that, and then we came back. So this is a channel. Yeah, you guys can go join it and subscribe there as well if you haven't. That's gonna be our fallback channel. So we'll be here, and then if we are not here, we're gonna go there. Which it reminds me, I should put a video there saying, "Come check me on this channel where we're at right now." Right on. Where am I from? Mexico. FTM. All right. Sure. All right, so FTM here. There we go. Yeah, CryptoCam, you should join the Discord, man. That is the easiest way to catch up with me. You're from the Netherlands. Woo, that is awesome. That is freaking awesome. Thank you very much for being here, man. Much appreciated. FTM, let's see what it's doing. What's this doing? It's Bullish Divergence. Strong. At support. Look at this. Don't you love it? We haven't looked at this project in the longest time. And our fibs are still good. How do we know they're good? Look, they're still holding. We got rejection up here. Again, coming back down. That's the 1618, sorry, not 382. So 1618 at $1.39. Look at that. They're holding beautifully, man. Our fibs are good. You want to come to Mexico, but that happened, and then you cancel. I know. Group camps is nice. Yeah, I know. Thanks, man. Anyways, bullish. Sold at 33.96. Again, looking for some movement up. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. If you guys are enjoying the content, hit the like, the bell, and the sub, right? You can also join us on Discord. Links pinned at the top of the chat. The top of the chat. I should just get a sound that says a dash chat. Pin on top of the chat. In a strong bad kind of voice. I don't know if you guys ever saw that on the internet. Homestar Runner. That was like the coolest thing ever. Kind of sucks that the website's gone. It used to be a lot of fun. Let's look at Homestar Runner. There you go. All right, so here we go, right? Bullish Divergence strong. We had the possibility of fraction to the upside. So we're looking for a rally still. We should be aiming for a 20 moving average at $1.50 and above there. Where we looked at, we're going to look at fibs again in daily. So neutral at 43.18, still pointing up. That means we should still be looking for price action to the upside. Here again, target to the upside with the 20 moving average at $1.92, and then the 2618 at $2.16. Not bad. Do the 1 hour. On the 1 hour chart, bullish divergence strong. Look at this. Oh my goodness. How did this happen? We did not know about it. I'm kidding. We didn't know about it because we hadn't looked at it. So bullish divergence strong. Right? Potential for a movement up. It already played up. And now we have created the hidden bearish divergence of doom. I'm kidding. It's just called hidden bearish divergence. The of doom part, it just makes it more dramatic. Dun dun dun. All right. So we have hidden divergence. It pushed it back down, but we failed to drop lower on the previous low. And what we're getting right now is consolidation here. So that means basically not getting any reads on the MACD and the RSI. We're just moving into a triangle neutral at 53.22. That's it for FTM. Let's go back to the corn. The Bitcoin at 48,476, man. Ain't that right? Yeah, man. We need to do that. We need to do a Vegas trip. I agree. There has to be a Vegas trip. That is something I do want to. I do want to go on that trip. That's gonna be insane. Ethereum dominance is going up again. I wonder why not convert all Bitcoin to Ethereum. Yeah, risk reward. Yeah, I agree. You don't NBN fireworks. You don't have to gamble. You can just go to the shows and go chill at the pool parties and things like that. So yeah, you could do it. We should do the State of Crypto Vegas convention or get together. Like, I don't think we can do a convention because we're not going to get that many people, but a State of Crypto get together at Vegas, that'll be freaking awesome. Oh, same occasion. Right. Anyways, what else are we going to be looking at, man? I was looking at what was moving. So we already looked at some of the projects. I'm trying to get something that might be going insanely cool right now, but HTR, so Hathor is going up 9%. That is pretty good. Almost. Add that 3 to 2, right? Look at Hathor go. Also, we get new fibs on Hathor. On the Mad Hathor. Why are we gonna get new fibs? Because we got stuff that looks better. That's where we're gonna go from the low here to the highest point here. Right, so we hit that 76. We're trying to reclaim that 618. This is gonna be our target at $1.23 on Hathor. Octavio, thank you very much for being here. Says, hi bro, I'm here. Thank you very much for being here, man. Cake maybe? I'm full, man. I already had dinner. But cake would be good for another day. I'm kidding. Sitcom laughter. There's nothing like sitcom laughter to make everyone feel better. Why is meme up so much? What's up with this coin meme? It's just up like 48%. That's a pretty good name for a coin though. Call yourself meme and people start looking for it, right? Steve says, I'll rewatch then. What's up, dude? Yeah, we can do it in a bit. Cake. It is not writing. Let's type cake. There we go. Oh, look, the Cheesecake Factory. Yeah, that's pretty tasty. Have we done cake before? I think we have. Maybe we haven't. Maybe we haven't looked at cake here. Let's look at cake on Binance, calculated by TradingView. The cake is what? How am I not finding it here? Awkward. Very, very awkward. Yeah. All right, so I'll check that one in a second there, Kevin. What are we doing here, man? What are we doing on cake? It looks tasty, but then it doesn't. From the lowest point to the highest point. Right, close enough. We move down a little bit there towards the end. There we go. So we've gone down to that 76, looking for a bounce. 20 moving average will be our target at $12.92, and then above there at $16.72. So again, those will be targets to the upside. Where are we gonna go here, man? We're gonna go with the cake, the bullish divergence, right? That's the only good thing it has right now. This bullish divergence. Bullish Divergence. There we go. Sold at 34.64. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. Nothing here that is bullish. Sideways motion here on the price. That means that we have medium bearish divergence. That's it. Let's go to the 1 hour, man. Oh my goodness, there was at some point in time bullish divergence. Now we know I have anything. All right, so let's keep this here. I'm gonna have to fix this back to the 4 hour. So you line, go back to the 4 hour chart. I banish you to the 4 hour. And you too. I banish you to the 4 hour chart, where you shall do no harm. There you go. So here we go. Bullish divergence strong. So let's keep this one back on the 1, and it's all gonna be good now. All right, so we had our bullish divergence strong pump, hit that 20 and rejected, came lower, right? But not against the MACD or the RSI. We're trading anything right now, so it's not looking super hot right now for cake. It's okay, getting above the 20, not bullish divergence. We'll see where it goes. Kevin says IVL or ILV. All right. I guess it's ILV. ILV. All right, there was bearish divergence strong here on this move here, sir. So potential for moving down. Oh my goodness, we're crashing. We have begun to move down on IVL or ILV. Here we go. Look at that. Ooh, bearish. Dropping now. Where are we at on the drop? So we're gonna have our fibs and go from the low point to the high point and see where we are at, man. There we go. All right, so we're back down to that 786 holding support. That's pretty good. We'll be bounced there once, coming back down to revisit. Not liking it, but that's our target. We're looking for a bounce, so we should be going for that 618 at $1,204. Right now, sitting at $1,219. Wow, pretty solid. Hidden bullish divergence starting to come into play here as we're reaching that area as a potential support. So not bad, man. Not bad, right? Here we go. Look at this. We are neutral at 44.67. Let's go to the 4 hour. Is anything in the top 200 pumping? I'm not sure. We'll check in a second. We'll check and revert. Look here in the 4 hour. Bullish divergence strong. Look at that. Again, with that, possible fraction upside, hitting the 20, getting above the 20. Rejection happening. Why are we rejecting, man? Well, we have hidden bearish divergence. There we go, man. Right, hidden bearish, and hit bearish. So, going down. Now, are we creating bullish? Are we creating something bullish? Let's first anchor this one there to where it's supposed to be at. Oh no, we're more negative momentum. Lower and lower. So sold at 38.86 again. Not really going off right now. Trying to recover the previous candle, which is the only good thing. We might bullish engulf and then it could be okay. But here is where the magic should be happening, and I think it is happening. Is all one negative momentum area, so strong bullish. Just like Bitcoin and the rest. Strong bullish divergence. We had the possibility for a rally. We're starting to rally, going for a 20 moving average at $1,234.10. So that will be our target there at the 20. We have this bearishness here, right? Got to put pressure on the price to move us down. Now we're looking for that rally. Anything into up 200 pumping, let's check. Cryptos. Rankings. All right, so no. Ethereum down already? What? Oh, that's on the last 24 hours. Not on the daily. On daily's okay. So 7, 8, 2, 4. Yeah, I'm only just taking a nasty hit, 8%. Chainlink 5 down. Near 2% up. Filecoin 3% up. That's in the last 24 hours, right? Remember. So I'm looking here real quick, see if there's anything pumping here. Anything pumping. That's the top 100. Not a lot. Let's go here. He's gonna range it there. Ooh, look. 148, pumping 23%. That's sis. You're correct. System coin, or sis coin. It's pumping. That's the only thing that's really moving here, man. Everything else seems to be going down hardcore. Let's go check out sis. Sis to the dollar. Why not? I think have we ever looked at this? I don't think so. We go to sis to the dollar and see where it's at. The sis is it's a pumping today, 17% on the day. Right, that's a pretty solid pump. Hidden bullish divergence. Man, why out of all the coins in the top 200 is this running like a madman on a Black Friday trying to fight for a TV that is on sale at Walmart? Why is he pumping so much? That is the actual question. Like above the 20, dude, let's go to the shorter timescales. We'll see. Neutral at 59.32. Let's go to that 4-hour chart, man. That is a green candle. It is a green candle if I say so. Higher, more positive, higher still. Nothing bearish. Bought at 63.91. Bullish divergence back here, but that's about it. That was a while back, a couple days ago. I think in the short term, man. Right, it's bullish, pumping. Nothing bearish. Let's go to the 1 hour. Oh my goodness, the 1 hour chart. The dreaded 1 hour chart. It's starting to create bearish divergence, believe it or not. We might get rid of it though, right? Watch out, it's going extremely bullish. So if it just keeps on pumping, it's gonna shake it off. But just on this 1 hour, it's gone up 3.22%. That is great. That's crazy. Let's take Crow. Let's go look at the Crow Magnet coin. It's not allowing me to add the coin. Is it because I already have too many coins? I don't have the close stuff that I'm not using. So it doesn't let me add it. Maybe because I have way too many listed. Like my list it's huge. Here we go. It'll let me here. It used to let me add it in the main screen when I search. It is not, but at least it's letting me add it here, which is good. That's USDT, so yeah, that's fine. All right, so we'll leave it here. Look, it's still pumping, right? So it's gonna get rid of that divergence if it just keeps on rallying. Crypto for you, what's up, dude? How's it going, man? Yes, I remember you. Thank you very much for being here. It used to show what I had open before here, so now I'm gonna have to go here and say Pro. And I have to go over here to look for it. That's weird. So Crow at $5. Sorry, at 56 cents. That is on the line on now. What? Oh, we got here on the daily. Trying to look awkward. There we go. All right, bullish. All right, so we had bullishness, hidden bullish. Try to pump a little bit, rejected that 3618, coming back down. Oh no. All right, so this is due for a fib update. All right, why am I saying a fib update? Because we got to get a fib update for this, man. Look, that's gonna go up to that high, and this is gonna come back down to that low that we had right around here. So we've dropped to the 618, and right now we're dropping below 382. So we'll see. Fitness Health, very chill channel. Glad I subscribed. Thank you very much for being here. This is a very chill channel. We have a very, very awesome community. Thank you guys for being part of it. All right, so for our chart, man, what are we doing here? Bullish divergence, we try to rally. We drop slightly more. We still track this bullish divergence order looking for, right? So with that, again, short-term created here on the RSI. And with that, the possibility for rally. And we rally. Pumping a bit. All right, so, I don't know. What was that? What happened here? We're looking at Crow. Here we go. Something went weird. Like, oh no, it changed. Now it's back though. Now it's back. We're back in the Crow. Hidden bearish. Put pressure on the price. Making us move down, but we have not dropped lower on the previous low. Nothing else happening here that is bullish. Sold at, sorry, not full, neutral at 42.49. Let's go to the 1 hour. And the 1 hour chart. Bullish, right? Strong bullish. We had the possibility for rally. We're getting our 4th green candle, just like Bitcoin at all. So it's on Bitcoin to some extent. Great! It's going up 2% right now. 2.56%. Back to the corn. Maria Rose, thank you very much for being here. This is Basque Tech. I'm not sure what that is. I'm going to look for it here. It's not here. Not sure what you want me to look at. Using the bear flag on the 4-hour holy time frame on Bitcoin. Let's go to Bitcoin. Let's go to the coin of bits and see the 4-hour. The coin of bits in the 4-hour says bear flag. This just looks like sideways motion right now. Not yet confirmed as a bear flag. Right, so for it to be a bear flag, you would have to be going like this. And like this, like we were at some point in time, right? It was slightly broadening. And the fact that we're holding support here at 4,700 leads me to believe that we might try to hold this level. Right, we want to undo. We're bullish engulfing the previous 4-hour candle, which is usually strong. But it seems to not apply because we're here with bullish engulf, we're here with bullish engulf, and we're struggling, right? So will it take us down that low? It could, right? If this is to be a bear flag and this is our pull, right? And we would be looking for a drop to 38,000, right? Not 45, but 38. If we go for the measure of the pull. Now we go for a measure of the flag. And we broke to the downside. We already hit that measure move, right? Look at that. 46. So we already hit it. So I don't see 46 being hit with this flag. I don't believe this is a trade though, right? Because there's a lot of bullish divergence right now that would suggest that we should be looking for a movement up. So yeah, maybe 51,000, maybe the 20 moving average will be a rejection level. Like I said, it's not looking super good. Is this a falling flag? No, I think it's sideways motion right now. We have not yet confirmed this as a falling flag. Why am I saying that? Well, we're gonna anchor from here maybe to there, then here. We should have anchored like that. That would be extremely bad looking, right? So if we anchor here, we would be making a sort of weird looking triangle, which again, I don't think that's a pattern that we're in yet, right? I don't want to look at the 4-hour for this. I want to look at the daily. Right, the daily, it's clear that we're in a down sloping channel. All right, those tend to break to the upside at some point in time, so we're gonna have to break that channel. Hopefully to the upside. Like I said, they tend to. They don't have to, but they tend to. Something that I was drawing comparisons with the other day was this move. Right, so ignore this stuff. This was other stuff that I had here, a down movement, an up movement. So this move here, right, that I'm gonna highlight here real quick. Right, so that move there was similar to this move here. Right, and then this drop that we're getting here, look at that drop here, right, similar to this drop here. Right, so that would lead me to believe that we might be making a sort of fractal, not necessarily 100% looking, but this is a repeat of that, sort of. At least until now. Depending on how we recover, we'll be able to tell. If we break support, does that head and shoulders look like it happened here? Yeah. He's talking about this. Shoulder, head. But we're not at that other shoulder yet. So we need to break. We don't need to break that much. We could actually bounce from here and reject this level here. Right, like that. Oh, snap, it didn't stay. We could just draw like that. So if we come up here, and we reject, and then we break that neckline, that's gonna be going like, I'm gonna have to guide that tool again. So if we reject this neckline, right? Yes, it could be a head and shoulders. So we need to come up to this shoulder level. I need to come up to this shoulder level here for us to create this other shoulder. And then breaking that neckline would not be looking good for Bitcoin. But we're not there yet. The smaller one on the 4 hour, all right. Sure, let's check. Guys, by the way, if you enjoyed the stream, hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub, join us on the Discord. Links are pinned at the top of the chat. I think I know what you're talking about. I don't think I like it as a head and shoulders. You're talking about this here? I don't like it as a head and shoulders. Mainly because a head and shoulders, it could be a continuation head and shoulders. I guess you're looking at this as a regular head and shoulders because you said it inverted, but if you're looking at this as head and shoulders, then I'm guessing you're looking at this as a shoulder. And this is the head, I guess. And this is the shoulder. I'm not sure what you're looking at, man, but you know, I'm trying to guess. We need to, yeah. You could say it kind of looks like one. I don't like it as a head and shoulders though. Head and shoulders usually has to be when you go on an uptrend, right? So for head and shoulders, what you usually want to see is you go up, then you create your shoulder, then you try to rally, and then you fail again, and then your third attempt you fail again, and that when you break that neckline creates that head and shoulder, and then you look for that drop. Right here it's consolidation right now. I don't want to look at this as a head and shoulder because we're not on an uptrend, right? If anything, on a move like this, I would be looking for us to maybe create an inverse head and shoulders, right? But not the other one. On the 1 hour, let's go to the 1 hour. Are you guys talking about this being a head and shoulders, by the way? Oh, I no longer have a W red. That is weird. That is the music. What is happening? There we go. Let's go and let me check here real quick. I think I know what you're talking about, but for some reason, Adobe Acrobat is not working. So I'm gonna have to guess where I remember to have this here. Hopefully it'll open. Here we go. All right. Well, one is the open here. It's weird it didn't want to open on the other one. All right. So let's go with this one. All right. So I'm looking for something here. I'm going to reference something. That should get me close enough. All right, so here it is, right? Head and shoulders tops. That's what we're talking about right now. Right, on a bull market, it has a very good chance of it breaking you down, right? On a bear market, it's still pretty strong. They'll make you move down. So, but a head and shoulders, usually you want to get on an uptrend, right? You want to be coming on an uptrend, like I said, and creating that head and shoulders. All right, look, even here, an uptrend. You want to be coming on an uptrend. It's very weird for you to get a head and shoulders that is coming in from a down move. Even on the identification, you're right. So We're not looking at a complex one. See, the head and shoulders top usually appears at the end of long uptrend. Sometimes prior to uptrend, these short duration reversal takes prices down to where they started to climb, right? So here the thing is, if you're looking at this head and shoulders and you're looking at this micro move here, I'm gonna box it so we know what we're talking about. This move here. Sorry if it took me a little bit longer than expected to find that, but I want to show you some source material. I wouldn't say this is a head and shoulders, right? Yeah, it's a topping pattern. Steve's correct. What book is that? It's Encyclopedia Chart Patterns by Thomas Wilkowski. Yeah. And we're forming the up leg of a W formation. I wouldn't say this is a W formation yet. W formation. The closest you are to the previous bottom, that would be here. We could be saying that, but right now I wouldn't say it's a W formation. On here, even on the 4 hour, we could kind of say, because we're around that same level, that it's starting to look a little bit like a W, but it is not the best looking W formation, right? I think right now we're just getting consolidation, right? I don't want to get excited. Reverse head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders is the bottom pattern. You're correct, yes. Just like double tops and double bottoms tend to be top patterns and bottom pattern. Yeah. So yeah, I would not be saying that this is head and shoulders. I just want to show you guys here that there is material, right? That there is material for us to say, yo, there is a reason why. See, the neckline could be down sloping or up sloping, doesn't matter, but usually you are on an uptrend when you get head and shoulders. So on the middle, it's very weird to get something like this isn't a downtrend. If anything, like I say, I might be looking at this as a shoulder, right? And this is the head, and if we rally up here and drop a little bit, then I might be looking for another shoulder to be added, right? And look at an inverse head and shoulder. Part-time philosoph. Hi. Thank you very much for being here, part-time. We're going to the moon. It might be a couple of years, but the moon nonetheless. You're correct. I think we're going to moon someday. I think we're going to moon Sunday. Kidding, not Sunday. Someday. Anyways, what are we going to do? What are we going to do? We've been live for 10 minutes. We're going to be calling it a stream here shortly, guys. It's been a chill stream today. I mean, the market's trying to recover. We're going up 2.5%. It's not really looking too bad right now. We'll see how Bitcoin keeps on playing, right? Last hour, bullish engulfing the previous one. Sorry, that last 4 hour candle. And we've, again, here created a through white soldier pattern, right? So 1, 2, 3. That means 4th candle confirms. That could be a reversal for the trend, right? So just so you know what I'm talking about. Usually you want your soldiers to be around the same height, but I'm looking at this here pattern. Let me bring this here to the side. All right. So you have your 3 white soldiers, right? And your 3 black crows. That's usually a reversal. We're on a downtrend. We're getting our 3 green candles. And that would lead me to believe that that is precisely what we're looking at here, right? Our 3rd. And should be looking for a potential reversal. Here we had it and we failed. Again, here we had it and we failed. Hopefully we're gonna undo that failure point and rally more. Karthik Ethereum should be in here, man. Time for Cody. Yeah, we can look at Cody real quick. That's gonna be a dough. Cody and we're out. Cody up 2.86%. Let's get on that daily. On the daily, Cody funding support. Oh my goodness, where we at over here at the old 50% retrace. All right, we're creating Bullish Divergence strong, just like a lot of the other projects out there, man. So Cody, not bad here. Not bad here on Cody, getting Bullish Divergence. Potential for moving up, and that's what we're looking for, right? A potential rally. Look at that, boom, strong bullish. We don't have it against our side, just against the MACD. Sold at 33.69 with that. Again, we need to come back to up to that neutral zone, and that Bullish Divergence might certainly be a catalyst for us to go back up. Here on the 4 hour, look at this strong bullish as well. Strong bullish divergence. We are sold at 38.23. Again, with that, we should be going up to that neutral zone. So again, bullish divergence strong. Should be popping up to that 20 moving average at around 33.08. Then we should be finding some resistance up here around 33 cents. And then something more here, up here at 36 cents. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Problematic on the short term. Yeah, I know. Problems are in the short term. And here also, look at this, right? Strong bullish. Strong bullish divergence, right? With that, the possibility for a rally. We have it against the MACD, the RSI. We have it on the daily, the 4 hour, and the 1 hour. So this code is extremely bullish. If Bitcoin doesn't crash or does anything weird, Cody should be looking for even a bigger move to the upside, right? That's what I would be expecting to see here in Cody. Steve said something here. It says fireworks. That's a solid maybe with cost of living up higher. People will be prioritizing essentials, spend less on Bitcoin and discretionary goods. Means market tightening maybe. Yeah, we should be looking at some tightening, particularly if something like that happens. So yeah, inflation rate went up. Yeah, inflation rate going up or being risen is not necessarily a good thing. When interest rates go up, that means the goods and credit is more expensive. So you're limiting or you're restricting the buying of essentials. That's a measure to counter inflation, usually adopted by the central banks. So with that, again, it could be a reason for things like Steve said, start tightening and people to prioritize other things. Although, like, I'm not sure how much it went up, but if it was like 25 points, like 0.25%, which should not be that bad, particularly the first time. But again, the economy usually doesn't interpret that as being a good thing. Usually when your economy is strong, you want to see interest rates go down, not up. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for tonight. Thank you very much for watching. Again, if you enjoy the content, make sure you hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Join us on the Discord. Links have gone out. Also, you can join me on the other channel. Links will go out again here. Oh, it's not there. Sorry. Anyways, link to the other channel has gone out. Thank you very much for joining me here. Yeah, remember, all the information that we're providing here is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas. It's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I had a blast being here, guys. I always enjoy being here. Thank you very much for stopping by, chatting. I hope to see you guys here more often. Right? I'm here every night at 9 p.m. Central. At least I try to. On that note, guys, thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you again on tomorrow for another edition of So Crypto. Right? Until then.